What differentiates you from your competitors? How can you increase profitability and gain a competitive advantage? One key to differentiation is innovation, evolving solutions that better fulfill needs. Calderon understands the obstacles to adding a new product. Forecasting usage, updating processing formulas, and developing sales strategies can be difficult, but consider the return on investment. Introducing new products offers a wide array of benefits, while advancements in manufacturing technologies allows high-quality production faster and more economically than ever. Products can be designed to maximize processing efficiencies and increase throughput. Microfiber products offer a 30% reduction in water, chemicals, and processing time versus cotton polyester textiles. Products can also be re-engineered for increased automation, like sheet packaging designed to be loaded directly into the washer rather than undergo labor-intensive unpackaging. The best way to ensure long-term customer partnerships is to help solve a customer's problem. Consider a machine shop regularly devoting labor to cleaning up oil spills using shop towels, dramatically reducing product life. Developing a product containing oil-absorbing fibers would solve this customer's root issue and help preserve your inventory. Calderon understands that innovation is key, leading to bigger opportunities in new and developing markets. You don't want to be chasing the market. Stay ahead of it by being the innovator. Call on Calderon for help differentiating through innovation.